Hi, this question is taken from JEE Advanced 2023 from its first paper. And this is an integer type question. So it gives you 4 marks if you solve it correctly. And the question is from the topic progressions, especially geometric progression. So let us go ahead and solve this question. So it is a cumbersome question. So before going to the solution, I would strongly recommend each one of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. So, okay, the question is from a very simple concept, progressions. All you have to do in this question is to cleverly manipulate the expressions, the numbers, and then arrive at the answer. So that's what you have to do here. So let us go through the question. Let this denote r plus 2 digit number where the first digit and last digits are 7 and the remaining r digits are 5. Okay, so we have total r plus 2 digits in this number, and so let us denote this number as SR. All right, so let us denote this number as SR. So there is a number whose first digit and last digit, first digit is 7 and last digit is 7, and there are r digits in between and all of them are 5s. So before proceeding into the question, so let us assign weights to the digits of this number. So this is 10 power 0, this is 10 to the power 1, 10 square, and this will be 10 to the power r, and this is 10 to the power r plus 1. So total we have r digits. All right, so SR can be written as 7 into 10 to the power 0 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 cube plus and so on plus 5 into 10 to the power r plus 7 into 10 to the power r plus 1. This is SR. Okay, so let us club these two terms. So that will be 7 into 10 to the power r plus 1 plus 10 to the power 0 is 1 plus 5 times 10 plus 10 square plus and so on 10 to the power r. So this is a geometric progression. So that will be 10 to the power r plus 1 plus 5 into sum of r terms of a geometric progression, a into common difference to the power number of terms minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, so this will be 7 into 10 to the power r plus 1 plus 50 upon 9 into, or we can write 10 of 5 upon 9. All right, 5 upon 9 into 10 to the power r plus 1 minus 10. All right, now let us bring 10 to the power r plus 1 terms together. So this will be 10 to the power r plus 1. Here we have 7 plus here we have 5 upon 9 plus constant terms. This is 7 minus 5 upon 9 into 10 minus 50 upon 9. So this will be 10 to the power r plus 1 times 68 upon 9 plus 63 minus 50. So 13 by 9. So this is simply 1 by 9 times 13 plus 68 times 10 to the power r plus 1. This number SR, whatever we have here, that is simply 1 by 9 into this particular quantity. So let us write that here. So SR is simply 1 by 9 into 13 plus 68 into 10 to the power r plus 1. All right, so this is SR. So Now let us proceed with the question. So it is given that S is equals to 77. That means S0. This is S1, correct? There is only 1 5. This is S2 plus and so on, plus this is S98. All right. And also it is given that S is equal to S99 plus M by N. And we have to find out the value of M plus N. So that is the question. Now let us proceed and find out what is S. S0 plus S1 plus S2 plus and so on plus S98 is equals to, for S0 we get 1 by 9. From here, from this formula, we get 1 by 9 times 13 plus 68 into 10 to the power 1. For S1, similarly, 1 by 9 into 13 plus 68 into 10 to the power 2, plus and so on, plus for S98, it will be 13 plus 68 into 10 to the power 99. Let us simplify this. So that will be 1 by 9 times, so there are total 99 terms. So there will be total of 99 13s here. So that will be 99 times 13 plus 68 will be common, and there will be 10 power 1 plus 10 square plus and so on plus 10 to the power 9. So this will be 1 by 9 times 13 into 99 plus 68. So apply the sum formula for this geometric progression. So that will be 10 times 10 power 99 minus 1 upon 9. All right. Now this will be 13 times 11 plus 68 by 81. So 68 by 81 times, so now we have this whole thing. We have this whole thing here times 10 power 100 minus 10. So that will be 143 minus 680 upon 81 plus 68 by 81 into 10 to the power 100. All right. Now before simplifying this, let us check what this is. So here it is given that S is equal to S99. What is S99? From this formula we get 1 by 9 into 13 plus 68 times 10 to the power 100 plus M by N. So we have 10 to the power 100 term here. So let us, so this is S. All right. Now what we can do is, (68) into 10 to the power 100 we have, and 13 also. Okay. All right. Now what we can do is that S99 is 1 by 9 into 13 plus 68 into 10 to the power 100. This is the thing that we have now. All right. So we have to somehow manipulate this and get the expression into this particular format. All right. So we have 143 minus 680 upon 81 plus 1 by 9 into 68 by 9 into 10 to the power 100. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll add 13 by 9 and I will subtract 13 by 9 from here. All right. So now we have 143 minus 680 upon 81 plus 1 by 9 times. So if you check, this is simply this thing, S99. So 1 by 9 times S99 minus 13 by 9. All right. Now let us separate the terms. So 143 minus 680 by 81 minus 13 by 81 plus S99 by 9. So this will be 693 by 81 minus 693 upon 81 plus S99 by 9. 9 nines, 9 sevens and 9 sevens. So this will be 143 into 9 minus 77 upon 9 plus S99 by 9. What is 143 into 9? 143 times 9. 9 3 is 27. 9 4 is 36, 38. 9 1 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 1287 minus 77. That is 1210 plus S99 by 9. Alright. So now we have it in this format. S99 plus M by N. S99 plus M by N. M is equals to 1210. N is equals to 9. So M plus N is equals to 1219. So it is a very simple problem, just based on the sum formula for geometric progression and then some algebraic manipulations. Here I had to show you all the steps. That is why it took me a lot of time to solve this question, but it should not take this much time for you in the exam. So here I was showing you how I expanded this number, which is very straightforward. So just for the sake of the video, I've done that. And here solving these geometric progressions and writing up these things, all these things took a lot of time, but it should not take you that much time in the exam. So if you like the solution, give this video a thumbs up and then share it with your friends, and do subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you.